everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So Madam Glam have launched their own super cat eye gel polish and I'm really excited to show you guys how it works. So here is the polish. So it's like a very shimmery, silvery, glittery polish as you can see, and can go on any color. And they have also given me this gel polish which is called Lotus. I already had this. This is from their Say Yes to the Nude collection, so I'm gonna use that also. And here they have given the magnetic stick, really cute pink. So here I have picked few colors to use the cat eye gel polish on, and with different designs, so it'll be a lot of fun. They're all from Madam Glam. This one is perfect black, this one is perfect white, this one is called Brave Orange, the glass gel. The purple one is called No Edit, also from Glass Gel collection. The blue one is called Crystal Clear from the Glass collection. This one is Lotus and this one is I Do. And these two were from Say Yes to the Nude collection. I'm also be using my own magnetic sticks since I want to use this S pattern here and the round shape here to create the design. So I'm going to use the black polish first. So before I begin, I'm just gonna wipe the nail with the lint-free wipe and alcohol just to remove any sticky layer, because I've noticed that the cat eye gel spreads much better when there's no sticky layer. So now I'm just gonna apply it to the nail, very even coat. And grab my magnetic stick. Let's just do the standard one. There how it looks, so pretty. And now I'm gonna show you another technique. So take the stick just like that, over here, the side, and over here. So as you can see the effect, it looks so velvety. So now I'm gonna show you another design using this round bit. Just gonna go on the side here. Then from this side, a little bit more here. So there we go, so pretty. And go ahead and cure for 30 seconds in UV LED lamp, and then apply Madam Glam top coat, which is a no wipe top coat, and cure it for 60 seconds in LED lamp. Okay, so now I have got perfect white here. The velvety you just have to do here, a little bit here, right here, and over here. So that's like the velvet nails. So I'm just gonna cure this for 30 seconds. The S side of my magnet stick, and there we go, from side to side. It's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bring my S side from the bottom, and then I'm gonna bring from the top. So just like that, it's looking really pretty. So for this one, I'm just gonna bring the magnet on the side and a bit on the side here too. So as you can see the effect, so velvety. So for this nail, I'm just gonna make a cross. So first you do the cat eye, just like that, and cure it for 30 seconds. So the first layer is all cured now, and then what you do, apply another layer on top, and then do the cross on the other side. So as you can see, it's a nice cross, and cure it for 30 seconds. So yeah guys, these are the final designs using this cat eye gel polish, and I'm really loving the effect of all of them. It's very velvety and very pearly looking, and you can use this on any color. Like as you can see, I've used bunch of colors here and it looks amazing on all of them. You can just play around with it and create beautiful designs with this cat eye gel polish. So everything is mentioned in the description box below, the direct link of this cat eye, my coupon code. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.